What's up people? So today we're going to be making tofu from scratch. Stay tuned, we're going to show you step by step and we're going to give you an amazing recipe. This is how you can make soybean tofu in your house from dry beans to finished product, alright? Stay tuned. So in my blender I have 2 cups of soaked soybeans and 4 cups of water. We're going to blend this until it's smooth. So while our milk is coagulating, we have to get ready the containers to press, right? So you need a cheesecloth and you make sure you want to wash these first, dry them out, and then you want to get something that's perforated so as it's pressing, the liquid can come out, right? And you just want to line it with the cheesecloth, give it enough room, that way once it's full in here and you're pressing it, you can cover it, right? Without exposing any of the beautiful tofu that we're gonna make. Alright, we have a few of these, and then the last thing we're gonna need is a cooling rack with a sheet tray, so this way we can rest these on top, right? So as the liquid is coming out, it has somewhere to go. Alright, otherwise your counter is gonna be super messy. And then we need weights. Alright, and that can be anything from, you know, canned vegetables to cast iron pans, you know, depending on how firm you want the tofu to be, that's how much you're gonna really press it, right, and condense it, right? I like firm tofu, so I'm gonna press them down a little bit, you know, a good bit, you know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. So we have successfully made tofu, right? I'm keeping it in the cheesecloth just to keep it intact. But the way you want to store this is you want to keep it in cold water in a container and keep it in the water until you're ready to actually use it. But this one is in the cheesecloth. I made a thinner one because, you know, the press that I use for that one is very different. And this is the one that is out of the cheesecloth, ready to go. It'll be a little, I'd say some pieces might fall off, but don't worry about that. The most important thing is that it's still solid, which it is. So keep it in water. That's gonna help set it, and when it's time to eat, you know what to do. It's like if you bought tofu fresh from the supermarket. So enjoy, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, like, do all that good stuff, comment down below, and we'll keep going, alright? Until next time, people, this is Chef Ed, and yeah, I'm out.